Sunny Southside building with ocean view. Newer kitchen with stainless steel appliances that opens to living room and newly updated bathroom makes this condo home. There is new carpet and new paint throughout to relax and feel comfortable. Living room and bedroom have sliding doors that open to large spacious and private balcony with view of ocean, park, and treetops. Bedroom is large with walk-in closet. Amenities include beautiful grounds with 2 pools, spa, BBQs, and amazing fitness center. Resort-style complex with beautiful grounds, lush landscaping, trails and streams. Community laundry room in building and 1 parking space. Walk to beach, restaurants and bars. Short bike ride to Hermosa.